Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the tutorial for today. Extremely simple, extremely minimalistic. I am actually wearing lashes. I did my lashes, cluster lashes. So these are what I'm wearing, and these are the type of looks I tend to wear with my cluster lashes, because I feel like if I'm going for anything that's darker, like a smoky eye or like something colorful, I'm going to need bigger lashes, probably spiky lashes. So for a more natural look, I tend to go for this type of thing. So my highlight is like on point. Shout out to Fenty Beauty, guys. Shout out to my lips. And I feel like when you do a red lip with like a basic face, it brings the look together, it ties the look together. So this is the look that I'll be rocking for quite some time until I remove my lashes. I hope you guys don't mind. This eye look I did for my hooded eyes. At one point I used a lighter color concealer right on the arch of my brows, and that just kind of brings out this area some more. So yeah, this is it for this is the intro. My hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. I will go ahead and link. Oh no, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, let me just start with this intro. My hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. I will go ahead and link them in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please enjoy this video. Yes, Mama? Okay, dokie. So I'll be attempting to do a voiceover for the remainder of this video. Fingers crossed. I have 20 some minutes of this to do, this talking to do. So I'll be using this clean and clear, what was it, cleanser for quite some time, and I really like it. Now I am aggressive with how I'm cleaning my face. Yeah, I know it's a lot, like it is a lot. But this what happened. Okay, look at TMI. I did wash my face long time, so apart this is like me like deep cleaning my face, because I realize, I don't know, I feel like even though I do have hyperpigmentation and acne scarring, um I feel like when my skin is smooth, or when it looks clean, I don't know how to explain it. When I have minimal texture, that's it. I feel like my makeup stays longer on my face. So yeah. So now I'm going to do my brows. You guys have seen me do my brows so many times. But this is how I tend to do it. I like when my brows are arched higher than where they naturally fall. My reasoning for this is because my brows grow straight across. I have like some old time picture. I will not be sharing those on social media. I think I probably did do on those throwback, when them old time throwback. I did around Throwback Nation. But yeah, I did a throwback of them, and my brows just grew straight across. And initially, when I was kind of doing my brows this way, like cutting off the ends of my brows, I never ever did them this thin. It's just that over the years they've gotten thinner and thinner and thinner, and I kind of prefer them this thin because I have more. I have more. What is it? No, like I, I I don't know. Like it gives me more room to draw on, if that makes sense, because I have less hairs to fiddle with or whatever. No, for me personally, and I have been doing my brows 4 years. I've been doing my makeup 4 years, and I'll be the first to say that don't it doesn't always come out the way I intended it to, but it's just my preference. And even when it's not my preference, it happens, and I don't need to not upload a video because my brows are probably arched too high or whatever. I'm going to still upload it. I'm still going to share, because everybody has the off days. So I tend to use a black and a brown. Now, as you guys saw, the brown eyeliner pencil kind of laid the groundwork, and then I went in with the black right at the ends, like probably where my arch begins, a little bit in front of my arch, and then I'm going to go ahead in between and blend the two together. Now, my reason for blending, sorry, the two together, is to have my brows be more ombre. I love the ombre look. When my brows just are one color straight across, I really don't like how that looks. So, oh, I'm sorry, this pause is in the video. I tried my best for this video to be as minimalistic as possible, as true to recording as possible. But what does take time is blending. So I'm using my LA Girl, as you just saw. I don't know what I just held up. I wasn't looking at it, but please look at it. And I'm using this to clean up my brows. Whenever I draw my brows, I just, like, just fling them on. I don't draw them on with no, rhyme or reason or whatever. I just fling them on because I know I'll be doing this step. Yes, just throwing them on does lengthen this step, but I've gotten so accustomed to it, like it doesn't matter to me at all. So yeah, so this is what I'm using to do my brows. um this brush is actually from Juvia's Place, and it came with they have like this eye kit, like this eye pomade kit. Two of them come in there, Zimmy, and I got this brush from that kit. So now I am actually what am I doing? What, Simone, talk to me, honey. What are you doing? Okay, you're doing something but I don't know. You look a scammer. You look a tricker, yeah. Alright, so doing the same thing on the other eyes. What's wrong, Jonathan? Alright, so my brows aren't just something I can just throw on and go. They do take some time. For me, like 10 or 15 minutes is how much they take for me to do my brows. Excuse me. And because of this pregnancy, I don't know. Like when I'm doing my makeup, I get back pains. Just sitting down, doing my makeup, I am getting back pains, which is kind of annoying. And also, you guys will see later in the video, whenever I blending out my foundation, because I apply my foundation or whatever, you'll see in the video. Yo, like my hand, it gets, I don't know what's the word, like oh, cramp, like it begins to cramp me, like my hand when I doing my makeup foundation. My hand start to cramp me. I have to switch over to my other hand. And you girl ain't ambidextrous, you know. I mean, I'm talented, but girl, I'm not that talented. Ooh, come through, bros. See, this is why I love this step. I love this step so much. I love how my brows turn out. I know it takes me a long time. I'm not joking, like 10 to 20 minutes just on my brows alone. And that's, a fault of mine. I don't mind it. I've grown to live with it. I am living with it. I don't mind living with it. And I even wake up earlier than I would normally wake up just to do my makeup. It's just a part of my life now. Like if I'm going out, going on the road or whatever, I know I have to get an early start because of how long my brow takes. Like I factor in that time. And I'm naturally a morning person. Like waking up late for me is 8 o'clock. That's my and that's when my body's like really tired. And then by 12:01 I'm gone again. Well, for this pregnancy anyway. By 12:01 o'clock it's like my shutdown all over again. But yeah, I don't mind getting up early to do my makeup because you know when it's posted, when it's seen, it's like wow, I love your makeup. But yeah, it takes time. Anyway, I'm just chatting to kind of fill the gap because what am I going to do except like just do my brows? I'm literally just doing my brows. You guys have seen me do this so much on my channel. By the way, if you're a new subscriber, hello, how are you doing? Thank you so much for subscribing, for clicking like, for sharing my video. It really means, you guys, it really does help our channels when you first of all watch, and when you like, and also when you comment. It rates it like it puts the it ranks it better. So this primer is actually my Sasha foundation primer. It's their matte primer, their mattifying primer. I love this primer so much. Every single foundation I put on top of it, it works. My Fenty foundation, my Beauty Bakery foundation, which, side note, my Beauty Bakery foundation fell and broke. I no longer have the foundation, which is a bummer because I like putting it on when I just doing like videos, just recording for you guys. This day I was actually going out though, so that's why I have on my primer. But yeah, it looks so good underneath all my foundations. Of course, it works with the Sasha foundation itself, my Huda Beauty, my Fenty, and my Black Opal. Because you guys, I've been using Black Opal recently. I just started using Black Opal all over again, and of course, it works well with my Beauty Bakery. Right, this step, yo, it's a whole like smooth my skin looks. That primer is like it's beautiful. So this is my LA Pro Girl orange corrector. I have not been using it's like I feel like I'm going back to like the old way of doing my makeup, and I love I love how it photographs. I love how it looks. But whenever I'm doing the character, look at how it disappears. It's freaking great, man. I was gonna say it. It's good. It's good. But I do this step when I have time. I don't always have time. When I don't have time, I don't even put on primer. I just fling on my foundation, brows are snatched, and then I'm good to gizzle. But yeah, so I'm just using my color corrector, and what this is doing, if you realize I put it, I hope you guys understand color theory. But I'm just going to skim over it a little bit. I will not go in depth. But if you realize I put it on the areas that are we call it discolored, acne scarred, and it covers it. You know, I could have done more to blend this into my skin, and everything will be just nice and smooth. But I knew I was going to cover it with foundation, so I didn't have to do that. And I don't know. I mean, it's just color theory in and of itself, but it does not change the color of my foundation. It does not, like, the corrector does not mix with my foundation and have it look weird. What it does, it just adds that coverage, you know. I love it. I love it, and I cannot believe I stopped color correcting for so long. I mean, I use heavy duty, not heavy duty, wrong term. I use full coverage foundation, so I really don't have to. But I love how this photographs. I love how this looks, and I love how it wears throughout the day when I do the color corrector step, because I have a vlog with me. It's a weekend vlog. Sorry, I'm tapping the laptop. It's a weekend vlog, and it's now live on my vlog channel. And I wore this makeup the entire day. It was when I was in this like red plaid um blouse vest thingy. I wore this makeup the entire day, and I didn't get home until in the night, like 10 or so in the night. Love this combo, the primer in addition to the corrector and then the foundation. I say how I have to tell you guys, I switch my hand. If I realize I'm not using my left hand, because my hand just got really tired, almost like worn out, or what's it like, it felt like it was cramping, so I had to stop using it. So yeah, so I'm just blending up my foundation all over under my neck as well, because you can imagine me I laugh and me fling back my neck and me I laugh, and it just no foundation, just so skin, nah girl, nah girl. But look at how this foundation dries down. You guys, if you look, you see that patch on my forehead, my hairline? Yo, I love how this foundation wears. I love it. I love it. If you guys are still sleeping on Huda Beauty, go to wake up, go in our bank account and purchase. Swipe it, swipe. It is worth it. It's the bomb. And it's long wearing, with or without a primer. The foundation itself is long wearing. It's a good bomb foundation. So yeah. Yeah, girl. So you never saw that lyric? You know, you need to rub it in somewhere. Yeah, so that right. Yes. You have to be aggressive. You have to be deliberate. Lyric. Pull down that something there. Yeah, pull down. So now I'm low lighting with ebony. Oh my god, ebony mocha, I believe. It's a black opal foundation, and I'm low lighting with this. I did not need this much because the brush that I'm using already has the product in it. So I did not need to low light this much, and I'm highlighting with rich caramel again from black opal. These are all foundations, all full coverage, and your girl's makeup was lit the entire time. I do not use powder. I do not have blotting powders. None of that. I don't do that, honey. I don't put extra powders in my bags and stuff and foundations. I don't do that. I foolproof my makeup. If I know I'm going to go out for this for a good portion of the day, this is how I do my makeup. Now, only thing I need to do to freshen my makeup throughout the day is literally just get a piece of hand towel or tissue and just pat my face. That's all I need to do. So now I am just blending this out. But you see, I put too much on my forehead. What is alright, goods? Normal. I guess everything just come together. Like. Every time that cushion in the background, that grey one moves, I think something weird. I do. Because I'm like, what's that? Oh, the cushion, the cushion. Right, yeah. So I did, oh my goodness. Oh, I did a haul. That cushion in the back, the faith one, is actually, it's on a haul on my Lyric Uncut channel, my vlog channel. I don't know. Guys, aren't you following my vlog channel? I'm quite disturbed that you're not following. Look at me pulling down my neck area, because I realized, oh my god, embarrassing moment. So I've been caught already with my low light for my jawline unblended. So I'm looking just like straightforward, like just head on, and I'm thinking, oh, it's blended. We're Gucci. Honey, we're not Gucci, baby. We are knockoff. It's not blended. So I have to kind of let's put it all the way down that it blends, that line blends out. I love this. I love how everything is working together. The foundations are blending out on top of on top of the foundations. Let me finish my sentence. I love it. And then I'm going to take that into my crease. Right, exactly. I've been doing this. This is the makeup I've been doing for the past couple of days. By the time I see this video, it would have been weeks as I'm pre-recording for when I get moody and I don't want to record. So I want to do 2 videos a week and like one on the weekend. Yeah, so 2 videos Monday to Friday, and then one either Saturday or Sunday. So let's say 3 videos a week. So yeah, that's the aim. Yeah. So I'm just blending out. This is my BH Cosmetics brush. I need one more because this blends out my highlight like a dream. Because I'm doing my highlights differently as well. Yes. Your hand not bleeding. My hand hurts. Oh. So I'm just blending out, blend, blend, blend. By the way, Jonathan is okay, and I know he was not bleeding. So I'm just blending out. What I find is that look, this blends out really, really well. See that? Easy, really, really easily. It blends out well, and also I don't like to use a beauty blend when I'm blending this out because I want like the color to stay, because you know the beauty blender is a sponge, so it's going to absorb some of the product. So I don't want that. I want to use the brush. I like the like feathery, I don't know, I just like when a brush blends it out. Jeez, I'm trying to extend this by finding filler words, and I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know. So just blending out, blend, 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 blend. This and my eyebrows. My eyebrows are the longest process in my makeup um, routine. But then this blending out, oh lord, it's a close second. Because I don't necessarily wear eyeshadow. I don't have to wear eyeshadow. But this takes a while. And then it just looks like and then when it's done, it doesn't look like I did this much work. I'm telling you, man, respect your makeup artist. Let me correct myself. Respect a good makeup artist. You know what I mean? Yes, girl. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. You see that line at my jawline? I don't like it. I think I did. Yeah, I'm going to blend it out. I have more. You see those lines? I have more blending to do. Believe what, Jonathan. Kiss me. Kiss me. Aye. Kiss me, of course. So I'm taking my brush now. This is the brush I used to apply my foundation, my Huda Beauty foundation, and then blending the edges. Look at my forehead. Gone. Completely gone. Blended to the gods. I love it. And then it's dark where my forehead is big. And see how I'm like pulling down at my jawline right there, so because there's a line that I want to get rid of. I just want everything to look nice and flush. Oh, thank you. Yeah, blend out under there. So yes, I'm preparing my underneath my eyes to apply my setting powder, and I like just get rid of the creases under there before I put the setting powder on, because you know the setting powder to set the crease. You know what I mean? So yeah. All right, done. You have trust issues? Why you go over so much time? Done. I'm my face raw. Get raw. I'm sore. Alrighty. So this is my Huda Beauty Blondie, and this is for my highlights. I love using this as my highlight. I think it's perfect for my highlights, for the look that I go for, and I'm actually using a brush. I normally use my beauty blender, but I find that when I use the brush, it looks, I don't want to say natural because there's nothing natural about this, but look at that. It just makes, it just sets it so beautifully, and it's allowing the color, like that yellow, to come through. I love how that looks. I love how that looks. And I always take this and put it on my brow bone as well. Look at that. It's just, I think that's gorgeous. It's the same blondie, and that's going on my brow bone. And then blend it down. Yes, girl. Yes. I love it. Blondie was sent from heaven. Yeah. Nice. Oh, that's so nice. That cushion scared me again. The grey one. Sorry, guys. Okay, I have 7 more minutes left. I can do this. I can totally talk to you guys throughout an entire video. By the way, I'm not using a microphone. I'm using like the mic from my laptop instead of a microphone. I bought this cheap $30 Rode mic, and it just didn't do the work. I feel like it was a fake. It was a knockoff Rode mic because it did nothing. So I'm setting my brows. Oh yes, I did this step too now. And then like everywhere else, I set like the bridge of my nose and my cupids. There, so yep, that's it. That's where I set it in. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Sasha Cosmetics Spice loose powder. All right, so I am looking for, yeah, Sasha, but I said it's already in Spice. Okay, yeah. So I'm putting this everywhere. I did not put Blondie. So everywhere I did not put Blondie is where I'm going to put it. This is sitting everywhere else on my face. I love this loose powder so much. It works with every single one of my foundations. It is like we call it like a MacGyver powder. I love it. I love it so much. And I recognize that because of how I low light, I don't necessarily need to set my low light, because normally I would do a little bit of I would do a little bit of powder, like darker powder, to set it, but I don't have to because of how this process. I don't have to. I don't feel like I need to do that. So now I think I'm going back in with blondie, and I think I'll be baking a little bit. I don't know why I decided to just add some of blondie. Oh yeah, right there. So on my forehead, like where my brow is, it was looking like a bit shiny, and I just decided to just add this side, sorry, to add it everywhere else, like under my eyes and I think my forehead and stuff. So yeah, and then I'm going to move on to doing my highlights. So because this is a minimalistic look, I did not use any eyeshadows. Everything is foundations and powders, and my black eyeliner, my LA Pro primer. So yeah, this is the same powder I used a while ago for all over my face. My Sasha um, loose powder in Perfect Spice. I'm putting this right on my lid, as you can see. So that's all over my lid. I like how it looks as well. It doesn't look too heavy. It just looks really nice and natural, and I love it. I found out this look accidentally, and I was like, oh, I can just wear this. I did this look because I didn't want to do anything to overwhelm like my lashes, because I tell you, because I have the cluster lashes on. I did this myself, by the way. So because I have them on, I can't do anything too dramatic because it just will look funny, and I have to add lashes on top of it. So yeah, this is the look that I've been doing. This is my LA Pro primer I was talking about, and this is my quote unquote eyeliner, and this and my red lips are the boldest you'll ever see my eyes. So I'm just blending out the black liner with one brush, and then I'm going to go in with another one and blend out um like closer to the right. So my LA Pro primer in black, so I just kind of blended it out on top, and I grabbed a different brush and I'm blending it out underneath, so I'm kind of smoking it out, if you will. I would normally add another eyeshadow under there, but because I wanted this to remain true to it being minimalistic, this is what I just ended up doing. I don't know if you guys realize, but you guys just saw me put my makeup on, like start to finish. Like, this is my life. I love, look at how beautiful that looks. My skin, the foundation, the powders. Okay, so this is my new, well, okay, this glow combo. I've been doing when I just got the two products, this is how I would use them. But baby, this one that I'm using now, this one is called cinnamon. Girl, I love this so much. Cinnamon is so good. So I'm going to actually take the same brush that I've been using to blend out. See, I just like wipe it off, and I'm actually using it to blend it out. Look at how beautiful that looks. I love the look of the slim highlight. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But I'm actually going to be blending it. I think I'm going to be blending it with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife or not. I don't think so. I just love how this looks all by itself. I really hope I didn't add Trophy Wife. But if I did, it still look good. I'm just saying. This on its own looks absolutely phenomenal, you guys. So I'm just blending out with the same brush. That's why I said I need two of these brushes, you know. I need to get me another one just for this step. So I'm just blending out again. And if you realize when I was blending out my cheekbone highlight, I blended on top and underneath. It didn't blend out in the middle per se because I want to keep that. You see that? That line. That I can't explain it. I'm just calling it a line because that's the only word that's coming in my head to describe it. But I'm just blending out underneath. Yes, so it's faded, you know. And then I'm going to blend out on top. See? I love how this looks. I think it looks gorgeous, honey. Absolutely gorgeous, honey. Go girl. Go girl. Okay, I think I was talking to. Okay, so I did the trophy wife, which I didn't need to, but look, I mean, it added a little something, something, but not too much. It just added a little something, something, but not too much. So I'm just doing this for my highlights. I love how it looks. My face looks nice and fresh. Oh, I love how this looks. I really love how this looks. I was doing something here, so for Jonathan, you know, but I don't remember what it was. Ooh, okay, so this is my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. I don't think this is the only red that she has now, but this was the first red she came out with. Sorry, this is the Universal Red. And baby, let me tell you, this thing dries down so beautifully. But guys, this is it for the video. I don't have an outro for this. I didn't realize until I need to start filming outros. But this is the video. The hair again is from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up this video if you made it through to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, just comment and say, we made it! Bye guys.